Alright, this time we're going to see how to fix this issue, because sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So here is my beloved backup camera. It's actually a good day because yesterday it wasn't functioning at all. So you can tell the screen works. It's just, this looks like dog shit. Even if we reset, restore whatever factory settings, it looks like ass. So we're gonna see how to replace it. Yeah, back apart. What I'm told is, we're gonna need trim removal tool, which they say it doesn't really matter because the emblems on the Fords, they say, are gonna break in the back. So we have that, and then it should be a 7 mils. So that's all they say we need. So that's all we're gonna try. Adjust my headlamp. All right, so this is a pain in the dick. No matter how you do it, everyone says it's gonna break. It's not good. But I noticed, if you can see, it's kind of marred up a little bit. But let me aim this way. Jesus Christ, this shit is not working. All right, so you can see, gotta get my flashlight on there. Right over here, right above the key slot, there's a little opening. So I use this, stuck it in there to pry it. And then I use this other, looks like a guitar pick, but I use it in there to space it. And then I use, once again, kept on moving this guy around, combination of this guy, and I snap that side open. So now do the same thing where we just keep on pushing it this way with this guy. Mind the bird shit. And then see if it does the same thing. God, I don't want to break it. But they say everyone who does this breaks it. So be very mindful of that. But if you got no choice, you got no choice. It's such a stupid fucking design. So, what you're gonna do, I'm freaking out slightly, is put this guy over here, and with this guy, crank it. Fuck! Alright, so, fucking scratch, which sucks, but, okay, cool, so it's a push pin design. Awesome. So, let me see if I can make it a little bit brighter. Oh. Alright. So, I guess the other ones, they were just kind of different. They would break no matter what. Actually, I don't know if mine broke. I think this one broke, so that's not good. Yeah, they're gonna fucking break. So just, once again, reach down in the bottom. You can kind of see there. And then you can see this a lot better now. So I'm trying not to flash my camera, but yeah, you see that? That's where you start prying it, and then just rip it out. It's gonna break, which sucks because I don't know how much this costs, but yeah, pry it out, and now it should be 2 7 mils. Take that out, and then that's where we should have the camera. So that's the next step. Okay, so now, yeah, I took one out. Now we got this one left. Yeah, now we got this one left. Damn, it's dark as fuck. Jesus Christ. Okay, we're just gonna zoom. Regular maintenance. Boom. And then, bam, we got that. So this is what we gotta take out next. Oh, shit. I don't know, I think that's a T20. We'll find out what this one is, but plug this, and then I'll worry about that. Alright, it's a little messy, but, so, this was a T25. to get this bit out, just holding that. So I'll zoom out so you can see. T25. And for this, I just put another pry bar in here, and here, and here, and that. Push these little prongs or whatever out, and I can slide that in and out because they were holding the bottom. So yeah, this is how it looks now. Just slide it out. This one is the new one, and we're gonna be replacing it. Oh shit. Okay, here's the new one. Put the same way the other one was. Just like that. Oh shit, that would be smart. Make sure you take that off. That would suck dick. Pry down on it, or push down on it. They're all good. Okay, let me see. There we go. That's in. That's in. Okay, so now that those are in, this guy goes back in. And you'll see it was like this. Make sure it doesn't fall. There we go, like that, bam. And then this guy, Jesus fuck. This guy goes in there. And then this guy back. Kinda shitty to do it with one hand, but you gotta do what you gotta do. It's easier with my right hand. Bam, that's hand tight. So now that's good. This is good. Fuck yeah. So now we can plug this back in. Okay, this is gonna be a pain in the butt. Now you're gonna be at an angle. I'll just show it afterwards. Okay. And now that's connected. Sorry it's dark, but that's all I got. Connected. Put it right there. Cool. So now, let's see how if it works. Fuck yeah, there we go. Now we got, wow, it's such a fucking shitty resolution, but it's working. Oh my god, hell yeah. And it's a little bit wider. Cool, so you know it works. I'll send the part number in the description as well. And if you guys need to check it out, it's really not that bad. Fuck yes. Ooh. But since that works, I'm gonna put these two back in, put everything back together, call it a day. Here it is. back together. It did suck. I did break it a little bit, so that sucks because I don't know if it comes paint matched or if I gotta paint match it, but it works all in glory.